Hi everyone. I want to share a little bit of my personal journey with you because every day I get calls from florists and event planners who want to join our school, who tell me about their day-to-day struggles, and they keep asking me one plain question: how to make my business profitable? Because in this industry there's so much wastage, there's so much of loss that happens. I want to tell you something here. I started Flowerbox in 2005 with absolutely zero benefit. I had no money to start the business. I just had no website, no social media of course at that time, and all I had was your passion and a will to make it successful. With that I started, and we had Flowerbox become a multi-crore brand, and just in a matter of time. Also, I want to tell you something. The wastage that we maintained at Flowerbox was below 2% at all times. Most times it was only 1%, which is commendable for the flower shop. If you want to learn more about how to manage your business, how to make it successful, how to make it big in the floral industry, do have a call with me, have a consultation, and come and see me.